Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up the fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So in order to do that, in order to add our fingerprint to the fingerprint sensor, we need to go to the settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and go to lock screen and AOD, and then over here go to screen lock type. Over here you will need to set up the proper screen lock, so you cannot use swipe, you need to use pin, password or pattern before you can actually access the fingerprint. And once you set one of these options, then you need to tap on the slider on the right side where you have fingerprints, and then you need to press continue. And as you can see, we have the fingerprint sensor located on the side button over here. So let's pick up the phone. Here we have the sensor, so let's press and hold our finger on the power button. We don't need to press it, we need to simply hold it. And now we start scanning. So touch and release your finger on the side button or the power button and try to scan as much as possible of your finger. Try to touch it from different angles in order to make sure that in the future you can actually unlock your device with your finger so that there is no issues with reading the fingerprint. There we go. Of course we need to fill everything in until we have 100%, and there we go. And of course we have the option to add another fingerprint. So of course you can do that. Let's say if you want to make sure that you can actually fully use your finger that you used before just now, then you can add another fingerprint and then use your finger again, or you can actually add another finger properly. And if not, then we can simply press done in order to proceed. And now over here we have additional setting where we can enable the fingerprint always on, and we have the option to choose the main screen, cover screen, or both. So let's actually go back, let's press done, and this is how we can set up the fingerprint. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.